Who knew that a simple vegetable could turn into a gorgeous, all natural lipstick? Yes, you heard that right. Today we are making a DIY lipstick using red cabbage. Completely organic, toxin-free, no parabens, no artificial dyes. Just pure plant-powered beauty. Plus, it's super easy to make and budget friendly. Ready to turn this everyday veggie into a beauty must-have? Let's get started. Alright friends, let's start with our star ingredient, red cabbage, a powerhouse of anthocyanins, the natural pigments that give it that rich purple hue. To get started, take a fresh red cabbage, cut it in a V shape and remove the hard white stem. This part doesn't release much color, so we'll skip it. Next, chop the cabbage into medium-sized pieces. Just like this. Once you have chopped the cabbage into medium-sized pieces, transfer it to a blender and grind it. This helps break down the fibers and release more of the natural pigment. Avoid adding water, this will ensure we get a more concentrated pigment for a richer lipstick color. Now, strain the ground cabbage through a cheesecloth, squeezing out all the juice. This pure extract will give your lipstick its rich, natural color. Wow, just look at this rich, velvety purple. That's pure plant power right there. No artificial dyes, just nature at its best. Store the pigment in an airtight container to avoid oxidation and color fading. Now friends, it's time for caramelization, the key to intensifying our pigment. Gently heating the extract will deepen the shade and bring out a richer, more vibrant color. On a low flame, stir continuously until the juice reduces by 90% and thickens into a rich, concentrated pigment. This step enhances the color and ensures a smooth lipstick texture. And by this, our pigment is ready. Next ingredient is beeswax. We'll take 10 grams of it. Up next is Carnauba Wax. Friends, you can also take Candelilla Wax if you have. We have to take 3 grams of it. Now we have jojoba oil, approx 9.3 grams. And then we have castor oil, approx 9.8 grams. Finally, we have lavender essential oil. Now let's move on to the making process. Start by adding 10 grams of beeswax and 3 grams of Carnauba wax into a heat-resistant container. Place it over a double boiler and let it melt slowly on low heat, stirring occasionally until fully liquefied. Once the waxes have melted, add the measured oils, castor and jojoba oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of shea butter. Give it a mix and then add Candelilla Wax 3 grams. Now place the mixture back in the double boiler and heat gently, stirring continuously until everything is fully melted and well combined. Now here I am adding 2 tablespoons of the pigment to the melted mixture. But guys, you can also add more if you want a deeper, more intense color. Next, add 3 drops of lavender essential oil. After that, add 3 drops of GeoGuard 221. It's a natural preservative. Now, it's time to set up the lipstick mold. First, lightly oil the silicone mold to ensure easy removal later. Carefully pour the mixture into the mold, filling the cavity to the top. Let it sit undisturbed until it fully solidifies. Then transfer the mold to the refrigerator and let it set for 15 minutes. This helps the lipstick solidify properly, making it easier to unmold. You will need empty lipstick tubes or small balm containers to store your DIY lipstick. Once the lipstick has fully set, carefully release it from the mold and transfer it into the empty lipstick tube. Gently press it in place to ensure a secure fit. There you have it. Your lipstick made from Cabbage is ready. Now let me show you how it looks. As I do a swatch test, you can see it gives a beautiful, elegant purple shade with a subtle shimmer. And that shimmer? It's not from mica or any artificial additives. It's the natural glow from jojoba and castor oil. Friends, I hope you have liked my efforts. But if you don't like, subscribe and comment, then how will I know, huh? So friends, show some love please. And be ready for the next video where I'll be creating a different shade of lipstick using Cabbage. Intrigued? Stay tuned and don't miss out. Until then, take care and stay radiant.